Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. Before we start I want to say that I'm changing buttons. This is for right one and this is for left one because I think it's better than by default and I recommend it to use same, but if you don't want to, you can't do it. So let's go to check it. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on the button. So let's check it. Now I will play the song. Here we go. And now I will press again to pause the song. Here we go. Now, if you will play, if you press two times, you will play next song on your right earbud, and if you press two times on your left earbud, you will play previous song. So let's check it. Here we go, and now I will press two times on my left earbud. Here we go. Now, if you press three times on your left earbud, you will awake Siri. And if you will press three times on your right earbud, you will play game mode. So let's check a Siri. Here we go. You can also awake a Google Assistant if you have Android, of course. Now, if you press and hold long time for your left earbud, you will lower the volume, and you will, if you doing it for the right one, you will increase the volume. You can hear three beeps and then it increased or lower. So let's check with the right one. I hear 1, 2, 3 and it start to increasing. Now if I make it for the left one, I will lower. Right, 1, 2, 3 and it start to lower the volume. Here we go. Now, if someone call to you, you can answer the call by pressing two times on your left or right earbud. So let's check it. I answer the call and I can reject it by press two times again. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.